Hello learners, welcome back to our channel. I am Teacher Ivy, your science teacher. And let us make science quick and easy. Hello everyone, I am Teacher Ivy and welcome back to our channel. Join me to study science and make it quick and easy. What is your initial reaction when you see two boys holding hands while walking? You may say, OMG! I use some symbols of elements as part of my expressions. Well, kidding aside, let us make our session fun and easy. Learners, I want to show you some familiar things that we use every day. This is a toothpaste. We can use this substance to protect our teeth from cavities. This toothpaste, as we all know, contains fluoride. But this fluoride is a toxic chemical. Now, have you ever wondered why manufacturers will use fluoride in making their toothpaste? Is it still safe for everyone? For us to find the answer, come and join me and explore science. Alright, let us study about elements. Do you know that elements is a simpler substance that make up all matter? Yes, it is. It contains one type of atom. And elements can be found in the periodic table. You will see its atomic number, atomic mass, density, melting point, boiling point, and other details. At present, we have 118 known elements. 98 of them are naturally occurring, while 20 are synthetically occurring and can be made in the laboratory. Oxygen takes the largest percentage of the elements in our body. We definitely need oxygen for us to survive. In fact, we also have carbon and helium, which are very important and present in our body. There are also elements that are present in our human body, like the oxygen, carbon, nitrogen, and hydrogen. We also have elements that are present on the Earth's crust and the ocean. Let's first go through the elements on the Earth's crust. Earths have calcium, aluminum, iron, and sulfur, while on the ocean, we have carbon, hydrogen, chlorine, and oxygen. As a student, it is very important to know the symbols of each element and the proper way of writing it. It will help you save time and effort. You can easily distinguish the elements and compounds present on a certain product. So let me help you identify the rules in writing elements. First, elements can be written using the first letter of the name of the element. Example, nitrogen. N. Another is boron. B. Next, the second rule in writing the element will be the elements can be written using the first two letters of the name of the element. Example, helium, He. Lithium, Li. Take note that it must start with a capital letter and the second letter must be in small. So helium, it is He, capital letter H, small letter E. Lithium, capital letter L, small letter I. Next, the third rule will be elements can be named after the Latin name. Example, Ag for argentum, and it is for silver. Next, K for calcium or for potassium. After being informed about the elements, let us proceed with the compounds. Compounds are pure substances that contain two or more elements that are chemically combined in fixed proportion. It can be decomposed by chemical means into a simpler substance. Let us have an example. We have 2 hydrogen atoms plus 1 oxygen atom. It can lead to water. Water is composed of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. Water is known as a universal solvent. It is used to balance our body temperature. It is also used in irrigation and doing our household chores. Another example of a compound is hydrogen peroxide. We have 2 hydrogen atoms and 2 oxygen atoms. Again, 2 hydrogen atoms and 2 oxygen atoms are needed to form a hydrogen peroxide. It is also known as agua oxigenada, which is an antiseptic. Compounds have different properties from the elements that make it up. Example, sodium. Sodium is grayish and in solid form. We also have chlorine. Chlorine is white, powdery. Now, if the atoms of sodium and chlorine is combined, it may lead into salt, the table salt, because the table salt is composed of the sodium and chlorine, and it is also known as the sodium chloride. Now, let us think of this. Is it still safe to use fluoride on the toothpaste? Yes, it is still safe. And then, fluorine, with the right amount, it's still safe. And do you know that there are many laboratory tests before the product is being manufactured? So, don't you worry. We can still use toothpaste in our everyday oral hygiene. We can find compounds mostly in our home because it is present in the food we eat, ingredients used in cooking and baking, condiments to satisfy our taste, and even in beauty products and in medicine. Now, let us have some examples of compounds. 2 hydrogen atom plus 2 oxygen atom. It is 4 hydrogen peroxide. 1 sodium atom plus 1 chlorine atom, sodium chloride. 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom, water. 1 carbon atom and 1 oxygen atom, carbon monoxide. And 1 sodium atom and 1 fluorine atom, sodium fluoride. If you are one of the students in the cookery class, how would you select types of chemicals for cleaning and sanitizing kitchen tools and equipment? What are the chemicals that you will put in the basket? Yes, you're right. Chemicals or compounds that you can use are chlorine, iodine, mineral oil, baking soda, baking powder, detergent, bleach, dishwashing soap, and deodorizers. Now, we are done with the elements and compounds. Always bear in mind that science really matters because science is everywhere. Thank you. I hope you see you all on our next episode. Once again, happy learning and let us make science quick and easy.